Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet, coming to you from a nice, beautiful day in Tampa, Florida. 82 degrees on this Tuesday, mid-afternoon, around noon. So today I want to give you guys a daily update on what I did today, but I want to make sure that I'm not missing something. So I always come to you guys and just to make a daily video on the progress of the bug. So for those of you who don't know, this is a 1972 Super Beetle, and on Saturday we got the bug to actually fire up. So today I didn't get the accelerator cable hooked up, so I finally got that all rewired, or not rewired, but plumbed in, I guess you could say. But my question is I got good pedal, but does that look about normal, or should this be out a little further than that? So let me show you how tight the pedal is real quick. So on the pedal, we're getting, it's good response and everything else. So before, what was happening, let me walk back to the back real quick. Before, this I guess barrel, or this set screw or whatever, was sitting a little further back, and there was flex on this cape, on the accelerator cable. So this thing was just wobbling back and forth like this. So what I did is I took a pair of needle nose pliers, I grabbed the pliers and I pulled it up. Then I reset the set screw. I'm pretty sure that's correct, but if I'm not, comment below. And I got one question. Is there supposed to be some kind of E-clip or something on this side? This is where the barrel goes through. It picks up the, yeah, there you go. That's a better view of it. The cable goes through the barrel, but I have nothing on this side to hold hold it in place. Now, I did have this piece, and I'm not even really sure if this even goes to this, or if this goes to the extension kit right here. So there is a little barrel, but again, this has a barrel, but I don't want to get confused. Just comment below, is this correct? Or should there be a E-clip or something to hold this little barrel thing through there? And also, is this the proper way, or does this look right to you guys? I'm just going to put my finger on the tensioner a little bit, on the cable. You can tell it is pulling down. I just showed you how responsive the cable was. But I don't know if there's any kind of, like, you're supposed to back it off a little bit, or now all I did was I snug tight this, and then I turned it maybe 1/8 of a turn. And that's how I got this little adjustment right here currently. I'm going to give you this angle to show you that it's on the very edge of this. All the ones I've ever seen, the cable was a little bit longer. The reason I asked, because the last cable we had in here did not fit right in here, but the local VW shop guaranteed me that this was the correct cable. It looks like it fits, but I just want to make sure, because I don't want to be going down the street and all of a sudden, this thing comes flying apart, or all of a sudden we got no acceleration. But I just want to give you guys a quick look. Just want to make sure that I did do it right. I'm still curious about if there should be some kind of clip or something that goes on here, E-clip or something. I mean, I would think it does, but it's kind of threaded on this side, so I'm really not sure. Like I said, I did have this. I'm not sure if this even goes, if this even goes to that application, or if it goes to the extension situation. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think, especially about that E-clip over there. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. As always, guys, God bless you. Have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.